Today I will teach you how to generate long AI videos for free using Grok AI. But before I explain anything, take a moment to watch this demo.
Nothing ever grows here.
Observation: soil appears dehydrated.
Maybe we can fix it?
Affirmative. Initiating plan-making mode.
Do you think it'll work?
Probability unknown, but hopeful.
Whoa, that was awesome!
Compliment acknowledged with gratitude.
Maybe I'm just not good at this. Correction. Learning requires time.
I created these AI videos completely for free using Grok AI without any paid tools or limits. Now you might be wondering how to generate long, smooth video. Is it even possible? Do not worry. In this video, I will show you the complete method step by step so you can create long AI videos of any length without paying anything at all. Let us now begin the process. First, open Google and search for Grok AI. From the search results, click on the very first link. This will take you directly to the official homepage. Complete the quick sign-up process, which only takes a few seconds. Once you are done, your main dashboard will be ready. Before creating anything, we need to adjust one important setting. Click on the settings option and then open the behavior section. Here you will find the automatic video generation option. Turn this option off. This step is very important because it allows you to control each scene manually instead of letting the tool generate videos on its own. Now let's go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a short story. Please write a short story in any style you like, such as historical, fun, emotional, or cinematic. Remember, the quality of your video depends heavily on the script and prompts you give. If your prompt is clear, creative, and well written, your visuals will look much better. So take a little time and make sure your prompt explains exactly what you want. After generating the story, ask ChatGPT again to create image prompts for each scene of the story. Make sure every scene connects smoothly with the previous one so the overall flow of the video looks natural and continuous. Once your scene-wise image prompts are ready, you can now start creating the video inside Grok AI. Let's generate the first scene. To generate the first scene, copy the prompt for scene 1 and go back to Grok AI. Switch the option from video to image. Select your preferred aspect ratio. Paste your prompt and click generate. Grok AI will generate multiple images. Choose the image you like most. Click on it and then click on make video. Your first scene will start generating. After a few moments, it will be ready. As you can see, the result looks smooth and visually clean. Now download this clip. For the second scene, play the first video until the end. Right-click on the last frame and copy it. Paste this frame into the Imagine box in Grok AI. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the scene prompt, paste it here and click generate. This method keeps the flow smooth and avoids sudden cuts. After a short time, the second scene will be ready. For the third scene, repeat the same process. Copy the last frame of the second scene. Paste it into the Imagine box, copy the third scene prompt, then paste it in the box and hit generate. It will start generating, and here we go. The scene renders smoothly and looks fully connected. I followed the same steps for all remaining scenes. I generated each one and downloaded them. Before combining everything, we need a voiceover. I am using Google AI Studio, which is a free AI voiceover tool. You can find the link in the description. Click on the single speaker option, choose your preferred voice. After a few moments, the voiceover will be ready. Preview it and download the file. Now comes the editing part. You can use any editing software you like. I personally use CapCut. I imported all the view clips into the voiceover and synced the visuals with the narration. After completing the editing, here is the final result.
The snowy forest suddenly went quiet as the glowing lights flickered and something shiny seemed to watch from the shadows. Hop! Quack! Out popped a fluffy bunny and a tiny baby duck. But then the snow moved and smiled. A glowing path appeared beneath their feet, splitting into two magical ways as the forest giggled and sprinkled sparkly snow. The little duck found a glowing secret, and suddenly a magical door made of light opened before them. Holding hands, they stepped forward together. Wow! Magic was everywhere, and the forest softly whispered, "Welcome, little friends."
So today you have seen the complete method to create long AI videos for free using Grok AI. From writing prompts to the final edit, you can now create unlimited videos. Maintain full creative control and make professional looking content without spending any. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and try this method yourself. Keep creating, stay inspired, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching. Goodbye.